Dirt Fisherman here, y'all. Me and my boy are gonna open up some cars for you. He wanted to say hey.
Hello.
Alright, y'all. Like I said, it must be warmer outside because the Turner quit making a noise here. So, let's get this video started and open up some cars, y'all.
I told you it was getting weird.
Take that there off. Bam. There we go. Alright, y'all. Up first, it's going to be the Hot Wheels quarter mile finalists. The Porsche 918 Spider. Check that one there out, y'all. That old green color. So next is going to be the Matchbox 33 Plymouth police car. Hang on, buddy. There you go.
Wait.
You flattened it out, didn't
you? With my foot. It was all hooshed up.
Alright, y'all. Check this old police car out. If it don't want to roll off. There we go. Up next, y'all, we're going to have the Matchbox Mr. Bean's car, which is a Mini Cooper.
Oh, yeah, a Mini Cooper.
Mm-hmm.
But what? But does the hood open up?
No, baby, the hood don't open up when it's not here. This ain't the moving parts.
Why?
Because it's not.
But what do you do to it? Put a match?
This is a Matchbox, baby.
But what?
Alright, y'all. The next one's going to be another quarter mile from the Hot Wheels.
What's that man
McLaren
doing to it?
Senna.
What's that man doing to it?
Nothing, baby. That's his car. That's Mr. Bean, baby. He had a TV show.
Why?
He's an actor.
Why?
Because he just is. He's an actor. Alright, y'all. The McLaren. Alright, y'all. Up next going to be the Matchbox 2019 Jeep Renegade. Yep, you got your finger in there.
Let me take it.
There we go. You got it.
I love Jeeps.
Do you? I like Jeeps too.
That why you get it?
Yeah. Alright, y'all. Up next is going to be the McLaren F1.
Oh, it could be a pain.
Yeah. Check it out now, y'all. It's another nice casting there in McLaren. Up next, y'all, is going to be the Aston Martin V12 Roadster.
What's a roaster?
A Roadster is the two-seater.
One. But it had two seats. How did they go?
Got a little bit of detail to it, headlights and blinkers.
It had two seats and 0 windshields.
Yeah.
But why does it?
I don't know. Up next, y'all, got another McLaren 720S Spider.
What's a hider?
Yes.
What's a hider?
That's a model, baby, of the car.
Yeah.
Alright, so check that one out, y'all. Alright, y'all. Up next, going to be the Matchbox 18 Bentley SUV. Here you go, back. Open it up.
I'm tired.
You tired?
I guess why.
Got a piece of plastic in it, baby, I think.
It does.
There you go. You tear that out there, you might get the car out. Yep, you got it out. There you go. All right, y'all. Up next, gonna be the Matchbox 84 Toyota MR2 with the headlights up.
But on a picture, it doesn't.
No, the picture don't. There we go.
But why don't picture?
I don't know. It's got another piece of plastic too, baby.
But it didn't want to be a pain. No. It didn't want to be a pain, though. It didn't want to be a pain. Well, what? Big heck of them. I like that one. A Pikachu. A Pikachu.
Yeah, Pikachu one.
Yes.
All right, y'all. Up
It's
next
my
is going to be
favorite.
the Hot Wheels Honda Civic SI.
Let me check something first.
It's the same one, baby. It's the same one.
What?
See? It's the same one.
We might open up the same. But when you find.
All right, y'all. Up next is the 74 Ranchero
Where you find it at?
from Matchbox. One of the stores, baby, somewhere around.
But why? I picked this one out. That's
Yep.
by myself.
Yeah, that's when you picked up open.
Mhm.
Yep, the old Ranchero. If it don't roll off. All right, y'all. What I got here, I found another treasure hunt. The surf crate, which is pink, with a surfboard hanging out the window of it. You see the symbol back there, and you see the symbol on top of the car too, the Hot Wheels symbol. That's pretty cool. So I got, this is the B one, and I got the A one too, but this is the B one here. All right, y'all. That's gonna be it for our little video here. Let's turn this thing around and say our goodbyes. All right, get in here. All right, y'all. Dirt Fisherman out. If you like what you'll see, subscribe to our channel, please, and tell your friends.
Peace out.
Peace out.